Nothing like a rainy birthday party. Welcome to Kentucky, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. I tell you what, it is raining again. That's what we do around here this time of year. I tell you what, rather than not having another video, I do have a little birthday party scheduled today for my grandson. Just turned 3 years old, and a happy birthday, Ethan, buddy. I've got family and friends coming over, and I'm going to just grill some burgers and dogs and bring you along for the party, show you some of that, and there's nothing fancy here today, guys. It's a little 80-20 ground chuck. I'm just gonna start making up some burger balls here. I have no idea what size patty that is, but I don't really care today. I will season these on the grill with probably just salt, pepper, garlic. And let these chill out a bit in the fridge and get that grill going. Ethan, buddy.
Yes.
You pop Papo in the head. The Natalie cam going on.
Oh no!
Do this a little different. I got several little pieces. There's meat on. Have to be moving these around a lot, guys. Get a few indirect for a minute. It'll be alright. We'll move them. A little salt, pepper, garlic. Get the lid on, let them smoke a little bit. Get these turned. That looks good. Smell that smoke. Some of these are not going to be as done. We'll have to move them around some. Come back in a minute and put some dogs on. Move some stuff around. Go a little indirect there. I know them are done. Look at that. Woo. I'll go just a minute up here on this. Not long. Dogs right back here. I'll give them a char here in just a second. Get these dog action going on, guys. Get a little char here. We're almost done. Guess I'd do some eating. Sing happy birthday.
Smell that burn and it's not exercise.
Yeah. Smoke it. Let's go eat, guys. Got it. Take that, sir.
I do
So the two cousins, what y'all doing? Y'all ready to eat?
Yeah.
You ready to eat? Got Ethan and Elijah. Thompsons are here.
Hey,
Chelsea,
no, dude, let's come in. He was sitting in the rocking
the
chair.
lovely Miss Beverly. Our kids are good.
He said ketchup.
I'll check it.
You got ketchup?
I don't want fish.
It ain't natty. Good.
I need to open up
It's good.
the ketchup.
Can't have a birthday party without Paw Patrol plates, guys. 3-year-old birthday party, gotta have Paw Patrol. Go in here with our bun. Check out this Kraft Chipotle aioli, guys. Love this stuff. Try it on your burgers. I promise you it's good. Little on the bottom. Say this ain't a big deal today, guys. This is a little birthday party. Go with a good sized burger here. Love it. Char. Some mustard.
Sit down.
Little. Ketchup across there. And on the top bun, watch this. A little more of that aioli. Spread that out there. Gives a little kick to this little grilled burger. Single pickle. Just like that. That's all we're doing, guys. Get a little bite of this. I've never had that combination before. Very simple cook, guys. Awesome. Let's get on the rest of this party, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ethan. Happy birthday to you. Diablo.
Many more.
Make a wish.
This is Natty. Natty, can you handle the Natty cam while we do presents? All right, you're in charge, girl.
Oh, good. Oh, what is that? Oh, wow. Yes. Show Natty. Say, see, Natty? Turn it around. Turn it around. Right there. Look, see? Here. Keep pulling them out. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, here. Tell Aunt Chelsea thank you for her gift.
Chelsea, hug.
Go give Chelsea a hug. Oh, mwah.
Thank you.
Oh, can I have a hug? Well, not yet. Here, look. Sit down. Whoa. Sit down. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Go give Uncle Jerry and Aunt Susan a hug. Here.
Liza, no.
Okay. Peppa, you got some more? Look what Peppa got. Oh my
See that new bike? It's my bike. Get on there. No, sit up. I'm gonna have to adjust it.
Bye.
Push.
We have to adjust that seat.